What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see here, we have the S4 out here and a little bit of snow. So we are going to be going over how good this Quattro system is and kind of comparing it to what xDrive can do, and also 4MATIC if you're with Mercedes and BMW. So let's start by saying, well, first of all, look at the new wheels that we have on the S4. This is my winter setup, so I did get some nice black rims, as well as obviously winter tires. And if you guys are wondering, I have Kumo Wintercraft on my S4. So I actually really enjoy how it looks with the black wheels, because they match obviously all the other black accents. Black wheels, you have the black grille, and then from the side it really matches my mirror caps and also the window tint. But let's kind of get into this Quattro system, and let's go a little bit in depth on explaining it and just kind of the ins and outs, how it functions, what it does, what makes it better than xDrive. All right, guys, so as some of you might know, if you are kind of in the Audi realm of Reddits and you know what you're talking about when it comes to Audis, you'll know that there is a difference between the differential. They have different types of differentials for the A3 and S3, also the TT, compared to the S4s and some of the different models. So if we start off with the S3 and A3, they actually have what is called a Haldex system. And that Haldex system, only to explain it, it really doesn't function like a true Quattro, if that kind of makes sense. But let's start off with what my car has, the S4. They call it more of a torsion style, which is short for torque sensing, which kind of, so this is what it does. It sends power to the wheel that isn't slipping, which is very interesting, because you want to balance out your slipping, so it'll actually send the power to the wheel that is not slipping. So it does kind of make sense, and just the physics of how that works, they've kind of got that down. Also, there are a couple different differentials in this car. They have three different ones, or three diffs, two at each wheel, and then so it's like a 60-40 split in terms of front to back torque. So the front wheels will have a little bit more torque, and it gives you a bit better MPG. So that, I know it's a lot for me reading that, it was a lot to take in, but it really does kind of give you a decent explanation on how the all-wheel drive system works for Quattro. Because I know with my Cadillac, as you guys remember, the CT4V, and also we've had a CT5V on the channel, the all-wheel drive system wasn't a true all-wheel drive. It was a rear biased. So you really weren't getting your true all-wheel drive. It would only kick in the other two when you kind of needed it. In this case, this Quattro is always functioning on all fours. It just splits it differently. It's like a 60-40 to the front and the back. Quattro, if you guys do know, is one of the best all-wheel drive systems out there. So another thing I was reading as I was diving into kind of the statistics on the S4 and what's xDrive like, because I have looked at an M340 before. So how does xDrive compare to Quattro, and how does 4MATIC come into play? So xDrive and 4MATIC are definitely better on dry surfaces, and this is where Quattro really comes in, because it's still good on dry surfaces, but Quattro is way better on adverse weather conditions, wet roads, snowy roads. So, and like I was mentioning, guys, there's a whole bunch of different differentials that were made for the S4 and also the A3 and S3s and all the different types of cars. There's a Wikipedia page on it, and there's quite a bit of info there based on the different differentials, because they all function differently. So you will get like this torsion style, or like they were saying, like I was saying for the S3 and A3, they have the Haldex system, which functions differently. So there's a lot of different differentials, but So far, my winter driving with my S4 has been incredible. In the rain, this car does not slip at all. When it's snowing, this car does not slip at all. Going straight, it stays straight, it's planted. So far, my Quattro experience has just been out of this world. All right, guys, so just to wrap up the video here on how good this Quattro system is from Audi, I just kind of want to say my experience, like I said before, has been incredible. No slipping whatsoever. This car has just been everything I've expected and way more, because it's just so versatile, can do it all. And also, no other all-wheel drive system functions like this that I've experienced so far. So leave your comments down below on what you guys think of the Quattro system if you have it. Also, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.